Hi, my name is Bill. Today I'm going to tell you about the spanner wrench. Spanner wrench is this tool right here. Comes in two pieces, and what we use it for is to take off the lock nut on a washer like this one here. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. I'll show you how it works. We're going to open up the washer and we'll go in there and put the spanner nut on that lock nut. So on this washer right here, this adapter won't fit on it, but that's okay because that's what these notches are for right here. So we've got 4 notches on this, so all those notches line up. So as you can see here, we've used this spanner wrench quite a bit. Actually, it's dented up pretty good, but that's okay because it's a solid piece of metal and it takes those beatings pretty well, so it'll last you a long time. So when you're seeing us do this in the videos, we're going to hit this and it's going to be counterclockwise to loosen it and clockwise to tighten it. This piece has a slot for a 6-sided nut on it, and it's got these 4 holes which the spanner wrench goes onto, just like that, so that when you're hammering it, it locks into place and you can get that nut off. So if you do have a washer repair that you need to do, and in our videos it says that you need to have this spanner wrench, we sell it on our online store, so make sure you also grab that before you start your repair. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.